fucking nun!
It's a beetle.
Back here at the shed. Got the Civic out. You know what that means. We're ready to do something really fucking dumb.
They do move in herds.
So this is the roof racks. Like, a bit of a gap there. We haven't put the rubbers or anything back in yet because we're going to take them back off to seal them, which is going to be so much fun. As you can see, another quality Sunshine Coast build. I don't know words. We don't have a measuring tape, so we're going to use the rocks to measure it out. Yeah, sweet. $8 box. Sounds like my fucking nan. Looks the same as well.
Oh my god.
Fuckies. Do you reckon this will make good show and tell?
You can't say that.
Why? I'm not American. Is it messy? Yes. Do I care? No. Bug. I'm so sorry.
Is it?
Uh-oh.
Oh, silicon.
There. You're probably thinking to yourself, Corey, why don't you take the roof racks off? Like, wouldn't that make more sense? Wouldn't that make it easier? And to that, I say, yeah, it fucking would. But it's currently Father's Day. I've got a lunch to get to, and I don't have time to take it off. Oh, I'll just do it another day. No, it's been raining a lot. So hopefully this stops it from leaking. Does it leak? I don't know. Do I want to find out? Not really. So here we are. Oh, we have the rubber in still. Fuck. Ta-da. Come here, Chester. Come here. Alright, back to work. So we had to modify it a bit to make it fit the basket because it's not a it's an older style basket. That's the modified one. That's the one we bought. I just paid somebody to do this. No, we're fucking doing it. Look at that. Shake that, the car's shaking. Just like all good victories, I now must go get ready for something else. I don't really have time to celebrate. So, here we are. We just got back from lunch. Roof racks on, cage thing on. Very difficult to get up here, but that's okay. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate it. We do a lot of dumb shit. I'm surprised anybody watches our videos. But next coming up will be probably the turb ski, which is going to be a long form video, like episode videos, or a series, anything else. Which is just because there's going to be a lot of work going into it, probably a bit of fabricating, so it's not just going to be, oh, buy D16 manifold, put turbo on, done. We're actually going to do it as cheap as possible, but I'll explain all that in the next video.